Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the promises of quick money online?
Watched a lot of YouTube tutorials.
I am tired!
Maybe you've clicked on dozens of videos, read countless blogs, even tried a few methods yourself.
Feet. Click, 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 click.
Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling on Amazon, only to find out they don't seem to work. At least, not for you. And let me guess, you end up back on YouTube, watching videos with flashy thumbnails screaming 10,000 in 30 days, hoping this time it'll be different. But deep down, you're starting to wonder, is it all just hype?
Fake!
Well, take a deep breath, because today's video is not going to give you false promises.
Okay, deep breath, deep breath.
Instead, we're going to rip away the fluff and talk about real, actionable ways to make money online.
Yes!
If you're tired of wasting your time or money,
Yeah, sure.
stick around to the end, because not only am I going to share two legitimate online business ideas, but I'll also leave you with a resource to help you decide what works best for your situation. And here's the best part. I'm not selling you anything. See, I've been where you are. I've tried it all, from gig platforms like Fiverr to day trading, to courses claiming I'd be rich in 90 days. Let me tell you something. When none of it worked for me at first, I started to question whether there was something wrong with me.
There's something wrong with me.
Here's the truth no one seems to say out loud. Most online money-making methods do work, but they don't work the same way for everyone. They all have learning curves. Some require technical skills, others demand endless hours of dedication, and many need upfront investments that some of us just can't afford.
Can't afford it.
That right there is the secret no one tells you. The issue is not whether these methods work. The important question you should be asking yourself is this:
So what should I ask?
do they fit me? Are they worth the effort, time, and money I'll need to invest? Some paths might take weeks or months before paying off, while others could take years to become truly profitable. So the real key? Find something that aligns with your life, your skills, and your goals. After plenty of trial and error, I've narrowed it down to 2 online businesses that aren't just doable. They're actually scalable, and we'll dive into them in just a second. But first, let's set the tone.
Hit the subscribe button.
The online space is like a wild jungle. Scammers are lurking everywhere. Courses that promise passive income or $1,000 a day systems pop up more often than ads for dog food. And let's be honest, there are some legitimate courses out there.
Oh, this is legit. Yeah, it is.
But here's the catch. 90% of the info they teach, you can find it for free with a bit of Googling or a solid YouTube search. What the ethical courses provide is the information packaged in an organized way and the added benefit of a community. But remember, proceed with caution. Anytime you see buzzwords like automatic, guaranteed, risk-free, or easy, your alarm bells should start ringing. Now, with that fair warning out of the way, let's talk about the good stuff. Let me share with you 2 online businesses that do actually work. They aren't magical systems. They require effort, but they also offer strong potential for returns. The first is Kindle Publishing via Amazon KDP. If you're unfamiliar, Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to publish books on Amazon and earn royalties from every sale. And no, this isn't just for professional authors typing away in candlelit studios. You don't even need to write a novel to get started. In fact, some of the most successful KDP sellers focus on low-content books like journals, planners, diaries, and even adult coloring books. Here's how it works. After creating your book, using free tools like Canva or hiring someone on Fiverr to design it for you, you upload it to Amazon. From there, you can either run paid ads to promote it, or believe it or not, you can leverage TikTok for a more creative free advertising strategy. Here's the TikTok blueprint. Create an account centered around your book and post 2 to 3 videos a day using popular TikTok trends to showcase it.
Hashtag.
For example, let's say you're selling a productivity planner. Your videos could feature short clips of the book in action, styled in a cozy workspace. Use hashtags like #BookTalk or Productivity Hack to boost the chances of going viral.
And it's gone viral.
Let's break down realistic potential earnings here. Imagine you price your book at $16. If one of your TikToks goes viral and reaches 100,000 views, about 1% of those viewers might actually make a purchase. That's 1,000 sales. And yep, you did the math right. That's $16,000 in revenue. And it might all stem from one well-crafted video. The biggest advantage of this business? You can start small with minimal upfront costs and scale as you learn what works. Now let's move on to what's arguably the king of online businesses.
Are you serious? Are you
YouTube. I know. Everyone loves to talk about how much creators are making on this platform. But if you've ever thought YouTube is too saturated, or that you're starting too late, I need you to put those doubts aside for just a second. Because the truth is, YouTube is massive but still has so much untapped potential.
It's true, buddy.
The secret to standing out? Picking a niche that is both high demand and something you're genuinely passionate about. Maybe it's tech reviews, AI tutorials, financial advice, or even cooking for beginners. Whatever it is, the key is staying consistent and focusing on quality.
Just quality. Quality all the way.
Now let's talk about how YouTube creators make money. The most familiar income stream is ad revenue. Advertisers pay every time their ad is shown, which is measured as CPM, cost per thousand views. But the more important metric is RPM, which tells you exactly how much money you pocket per thousand views. And once your channel is monetized, YouTube ads become your side hustle's primary engine. But the magic of YouTube goes beyond ads. You can make money from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and even direct viewer support via channels like Patreon. The opportunities grow as your audience grows. However, one major key to succeeding on YouTube is understanding CTRs, click-through rates, and audience retention. The higher your CTR, the more viewers click your video after seeing the thumbnail, and the longer your audience sticks around to watch.
Stick around.
The more YouTube's algorithm rewards you by recommending your videos to a larger audience. Here's the process in a nutshell. Pick your niche, research your audience, write an engaging script, create an eye-catching thumbnail, and prioritize high-retention content. Rinse and repeat. And here's a bonus tip. If you're just getting started and aren't sure how to edit videos or can't stand the sound of your voice, delegate. You can always outsource editing or voiceovers, leaving you more time to focus on your big picture strategy. What ties Kindle Publishing and YouTube together and what makes both these models so powerful
with infinite scalability
is scalability. Both of these methods require upfront effort but have the potential to grow exponentially over time. Now, before you rush off to start creating TikToks or uploading videos, remember this. None of this will be easy. There will be challenges. Your first KDP book might sell nothing, or your first dozen YouTube videos might not get more than 10 views. That's normal.